All right, here's your Noco GB500, 12 volt, 24 volt, 6,250 amp starting power. So this is an unboxing. I bought one in January of this year, 2025, and it just stopped charging. Last month it stopped charging. I got a hold of Battery Mart, the place I bought it from, and they were quick. They got me in touch with Noco. Noco said ship it back, we'll take care of it. It was still under warranty. It's a 1-year warranty, so as long as it's not abused or don't do something stupid like take it apart and try to fix it yourself. Ooh, they sent me a brand new one. That's wild. Okay, well, that was cool of them. They didn't have to. I sent mine in, and looks like they sent me a brand new one back with the case, which they did not have to because I already have a case. Let's see what's in here. Accessories. Ooh, I like accessories. Merry Christmas to me, huh? Oh, come on. Brand new battery cables, which I already have a set, but that was very nice of them. Okay, all right. And these are some super strong battery cables. I have another jump box. I'll see if I can include it in this video, which is a good jump box, but it's not as strong as this Noco. This Noco is an absolute powerhouse, and it looks like their customer service is on a whole different level too, because they just gave me a brand new box. That's ridiculously generous of them. They didn't have to. All I wanted was my old one to get fixed, so that's a big deal. Here's where you plug in your jumper cables at. Okay, all right, folks, they definitely earned my business. They are, oh yeah, here you go, you get a new strap and everything. Woo-hoo. Yeah, this thing's heavy. It weighs 27 pounds. Let me open it up and pull it out for you so you can actually see it. Oh yeah, you get a good little goodie bag. I like that. Noco goodie bag. All right, well, we're gonna stick other stuff in that. We will save that Noco goodie bag for other important things that we want to save. Being a hoarder, I will use that one day. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. All right, let's open it up and just pull it out so you can see it. This is a real fancy case. So here's the box itself. Boom. And this thing's an absolute powerhouse. Look at that. It's fully charged and everything. And yikes. Very nice. Very nice. Here's a 24 volt option, and that is a super strong switch, by the way. Like, you're not going to accidentally bump it. This switch, all right, there you go. This switch is not something you'll accidentally bump if it's inside the case. Let's hook up our new, I'm gonna keep those battery cables, and I'm not even gonna take them out of that box, because look, I'm gonna use my old box, and I'm gonna keep that box, the other one, as a spare, and we'll put this in here. Very nice, very nice. Thank you, Noco. That was very kind of you. They didn't have to, but they did. All right, I'm gonna hook up my old jumper cables to it, and I have done start tests on this, and it'll start the deadest of dead trucks as long as you have a little bit, there's a limit to the voltage, and I suggest you read the manual if you want to find that out. I don't want to go over the manual and then say something wrong, but I can tell you the product is super strong. The company is more than responsive with all their, whenever I had an issue, or when I did have the issue, they were more than responsive, and that goes a long way with me. So if they're gonna answer, and it was people here in America who answered, it wasn't like somebody overseas or who knows what. So yeah, I forgot to take the bag out of this one last time. So there you go. That's one bag is done, and I just wrap up my cables like that. I hold them in like that when it's not in use, and boom, back in action. Noco jump box goes back in its little spot, and here's the battery charger. I keep that in its little spot also. That's my little battery table tray area here in the shop. Okay, there you go. That's the Noco box, and I'm gonna keep all this stuff and just I'm gonna keep it in the box and store it and save it. Who knows, I might ruin that other box. I'll have a spare. So big up to Noco. Thank you very much, Noco. And they did not sponsor this video. They did not know I was making a video, and I don't even think they know I have a YouTube channel. So but I thought I'd share this with you guys. I didn't get paid for this, and I paid full price, but I still think it was worth every penny for it. So I own a tow company, so I use it here in the yard to jump trucks regularly. Probably gets used maybe, I don't know, 6 to 10 times a week at a minimum. So on a busy week, it might get used even more on jumping semi trucks and moving them around the yard. So there you go, folks. Enjoy. If you buy one, I think it's well worth the money. Take care.